Alrighty, we are going to learn how to play Starlight. So we are going to learn how to read the music and play with G and E on our keyboard. So let's listen to the entire song of Starlight first. This is what it sounds like. Okay, that's how you play the entire song. So let's break it down. Let's look at the whole song. Let's also realize too that you do need to use two specific fingers for this song. You need to be using your pinky for G. On your right hand, you need to use your pinky for G. This is G on your keyboard. You need to use your right hand pinky. So the next one that you need to be using is your middle finger on your right hand for E. This is your right hand. You need to be using your middle finger on E. So pinky G, middle E. And those are the only two notes that we're concerned about playing for right now. So let's clap the words so we have an understanding of how many sounds there are per beat. Star, light, star, bright. First, star I see tonight. Wish I may, wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. So you will be playing all of those sounds with G and E. So let's break it down. Measure 1 and 2. Let's focus on the first two measures with the beats. So we have the first two heartbeats and the last two heartbeats. There are 4 heartbeats in this measure. In the very first measure, we have 4 notes. The first measure sounds like this. We are still only using G and E and our pinky and middle fingers. So the first note that we have that is on the second line of the staff is G, and then the second note we have is E, which is on the first line of the staff. We play those first two notes like this. Take your right hand, take your pinky, put it on G, take your middle finger and put it on E. This is what it looks like. So the second two beats are the same exact thing. You have G and then E, so the whole first measure goes like this. G, E, G, E. Pinky, middle, pinky, middle. You can pause the video at any time and practice that. You can practice with your hand in the air, pinky, middle, and then play it on your keyboard. G, E, G, E. So the whole first measure sounds like this. Feel free to take a moment, pause the video, and practice that measure 1. Alright, next we're going to look at measure 2. Measure 2 has the same amount of heartbeats, 4 beats. So we're looking at measure 2. Measure 2 sounds like this. So here we go. We're looking at quarter and eighth notes. The very first note we have is a G with your pinky, and the second beat we have has 2 sounds, E, E. So the first 2 beats sound like this. Here are beats 3 and 4. Beat 3 has 2 sounds, 2 Gs. And the last beat is E. It's a quarter note. So beats 3 and 4 sound like this. Here's what all 4 beats sound and look like together. Feel free to pause the video at any time to practice measure 2. Here is measure 2 again. G, E, E, G, G, E. One more time. G, E, E, G, G, E. And here it is on your keyboard. Great job! Feel free to pause the video at any time to go and learn how to play measure 2. All right, moving on to measures 3 and 4. Here we go. We have 4 beats in measure 3. Wish I may, wish I might. That's where we're focused on. The first 2 beats look like this. You have G, G, E. You use your pinky for G, middle finger for E. G, G, E on your keyboard. G, G, E on your hand. Now put it on your keyboard and practice. G, G, E. Okay, so beats 1 and 2 for measure 3 sound like this. G, G, E. Beats 3 and 4 are the exact same. G, G, E. G, G, E on your hand, and on your keyboard, G, G, E. So the whole third measure sounds like this. You start on G. Okay, now let's move on to measure 4. Measure 4 has 4 beats. We're focusing on have the wish I wish tonight. The first 2 beats are G, G, E, E. So G, G, E, E on your keyboard. On your hand, it's G, G, E, E. To play it, you go G, G, E, E. And the last 2 beats are G, G, E. G, G, E. G, G, E on your hand. And to play it, G, G, E. So the whole last measure, measure 4, 4 beats, sounds like this. Okay, so pause the video at any time if you need to practice measure 4. Here's how you play the whole song. You're starting on G with your right hand pinky. And that's the whole song. Feel free to pause the video at any point as it plays to learn how to play each measure.